How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about how to fix a sore throat within minutes. That is right. So I got this question from a subscriber. They're having bad sore throats. They want to know how to fix it within minutes. So before we talk about this, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support and it helps my channel grow. Also, click on the notification bell too so you guys get all my newest videos. So the first thing that I will recommend to fix your sore throat is drink plenty of water. Drinking water prevents dehydration and keeps your throat moist to reduce discomfort. Drink 8 to 10 8-ounce glasses of water a day. Now in this video I will give you guys a ton of tips on how to get rid of your sore throat. People want to know how to completely get rid of it within 2 minutes. That is why you guys clicked on the video. That is why you guys are watching me. If you do all these things, they will give you temporary relief. So they will fix your sore throat within seconds and it will make it feel much better. So in order to continue this, just do all the things that I recommend and then within a few days, your sore throat will be gone. So yeah, just follow all the tips I list and everything will be good. And again, a lot of people do not follow these tips and that's why they struggle. They absolutely freaking struggle when they have the sore throat, and I feel very bad because I, at one point in my life too, like I hated sore throats. They sucked, and they were horrible. I freaking hated sore throats. You'd get sick, and stuffed nose I didn't mind, the runny nose, whatever, headache, whatever, fever, sore throat I freaking hated. So these tips will help you. Use a humidifier. Dry air makes your throat sore. That's what a humidifier does. It moistens the air. You want moist air. That's why breathing it in, it will make your sore throat. It will soothe it. So really try to use a humidifier. If you can't afford a humidifier, some humidifiers are pretty expensive, up to $100. So a cheap humidifier, a cheap man's humidifier that I have found out that works well is get a big popcorn bowl. Get any bowl, doesn't matter. Put scalding hot water in it. Then what you want to do is put a towel over your head and then have the towel long enough so that it kind of makes a little funnel so that the steam goes into your nose, into your sore throat. And that's the cheap man's humidifier. Do not stick your face in the scalding hot water. You'll burn your face. Common, but yeah, you can kind of make a little funnel. Very easy to do. Lots of soup and broth. Soup moistens your throat. This is what you want when you have a sore throat. Gargle with salt water, gargle with salt water and gargle with apple cider vinegar. Works better than any other vinegar at killing your bacteria, the apple cider vinegar does. So that is what I recommend. I was a little skeptical on this. I used to think, that doesn't do crap. Salt water, garlic, gargling with salt water, I mean, it doesn't do anything. Like, what are these people talking about? So I tried a little experiment. I gargled with salt water every 2-3 hours when I had a sore throat. My sore throat went away way quicker than if I didn't. So keep that in mind. Now, what salt does is salt kills infections. That's what's going on with your sore throat. It's an infection. It's swollen. It's red. That's why when you swallow, it hurts. Just like kind of like if you had an infection on your hand and you kept touching it over and over and over again, it's going to hurt really bad. The only issue with that is just don't touch your hand. Same cannot be said for your throat though. If there's infection in your throat, you need to eat food. You need to swallow. Every time you swallow, it's going to hurt. So what does salt do? It kills the infection. It does work, trust me. Use baking soda. It's an alkaline which can soothe sore throats and it changes the pH levels of your throat. So try gargling with baking soda. It can work, you guys. So how do you want to do it? Half a teaspoon of baking soda to 1 cup of warm water. So get your half teaspoon baking soda, put it in 1 cup of lukewarm water and gargle every 2 hours. As simple as that. You can do the baking soda and the salt if you want to. More is better in my opinion. You really can't gargle too much. It's not going to hurt. It's just going to kill the infection faster in my opinion. Tea. When I was sick, when I had a sore throat, my mom would always recommend tea. So drink green tea. It will soothe the throat. It will make it moist. It will make it feel a little bit better. Now, people ask me, why do you keep recommending keeping your throat moist? Like, what gives? if you don't believe that keeping your throat moist helps, then picture this example right now. You ever notice when you have a sore throat and like you get up in the morning, it hurts like hell when you wake up in the morning. Like it's so painful. But then as the day goes on, it feels a little bit better. It feels way better. And then during the end of the night, it doesn't feel as bad. You're feeling a lot better. Next morning comes around and it is killer. It hurts and you're like, oh, I can't go to work. I can't go to school. I hate my life. Do you know why that happens? Do you know why it feels better at night and not in the morning? In the morning, your mouth is dry. As simple as that. So, in order to fix that, keep your throat moist. That's why when I'm sick, I get up in the middle of the night, I will have a little bit of tea, I will gargle. So when I wake up in the morning, my throat is not killing me. It actually feels fine. Just a quick tip that you guys can try for yourself. Try having popsicles. I like cool sensations on my throat when it's sore. Some people don't. I do. It will soothe your throat, in my opinion. But again, some people, they don't like it. I do. Suck on lozenges. That's right. The best lozenges out there are going to be Hall's, Fisherman's Friends. Those are common ones. They do work. What I do is I never miss a day if I'm sick. If I get sore throat, cough, whatever, I'll go to work, you guys. Doesn't matter. So I will have lozenges throughout the day. So ton of tips, you guys. I recommend trying a few of them. Let me know what you think. Comment below. And yeah, that's how you fix a sore throat within 2 minutes. End of video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. If you're interested in online personal training, send me a quick email and we can talk details. Thanks, guys.